Introducing the Nyloplast Universal Inline Drain. The Universal Inline is the next generation inline drainage system offered by ADS Nyloplast. This next generation stormwater inlet offers the custom-built quality of the Nyloplast brand while providing versatility, accessibility, and increased speed of installation. This newest addition to the Nyloplast product line offers adjustable rings and comes pre-cored, ready to install off the shelf for numerous inlet applications and plastic pipe connections. The drain contains a custom 6-inch hole to handle common grate inlet flows and comes standard with a 12-inch open inline grate. Here's how it works. Visit your local distributor and grab the Universal Inline Drain off the shelf. Pair it with locally available plastic pipe and fittings. For watertight applications, apply gasket for HDPE pipe connections or glue for PVC pipe connections. If soil-tight application is sufficient, install the Universal Inline Drain on the connecting riser pipe. Install the grate and backfill as necessary. If installation is in a traffic area, pour a concrete collar around the top. If using a larger inlet grate, such as 2x2, cutting the hole is made easy. Here's how. Takes less than 1 minute. You can't do that with concrete. With the Universal Inline, Nyloplast just got better. This inlet drain is easier to order and easier to stock and provides plug-and-play versatility with ADS pipe and fittings. Engineered for performance with a custom connection off the shelf. Same great structural performance and long-lasting PVC material. Improved flow hydraulics with positive drainage design. Versatile multi-pipe connections that are watertight. Saves time and money, installing 4 times faster than traditional inlets. Stock and order friendly. Reduces the number of SKUs and product complexity needed by 80%. Allows for shallower installations with less excavation. All this adds up to a faster, more efficient installation, saving you time and money with a long-lasting, dependable product.